This will be my review of the new ABH Norvina collection palette. This is volume 4 of the Norvina ABH collab. I know you have seen this palette all over the YT. This is so pretty. It's a beautiful, beautiful palette. The aesthetic of the palette is very nice. It's very pretty. When I immediately saw the palette, I'm like, yes, Porsche, you need this. But I'm like, no, play it. Be smart, girl. So I checked out some reviews. I looked at some swatches. I kept going back to Anastasia website, coming back. And I'm like, okay, girl, get it. Plus, I had a 15% off coupon, and you can't miss out on a discount. Keep watching. See what my thoughts on. I have a quick tutorial of this look. Let's get into this palette. Oh my gosh, you guys can see this. This is, of course, beautiful. I have never got any of the Norvina Pro palettes. This is my very first one. I've seen the others. They're pretty, they're cute, but they just never really sparked my interest. So pretty, like, these colors are everything. I love pinks, I love purples, I love shimmers. It has a neutral brown in there. This palette is talking to me. When I seen it, I was just like, I do like that. I think I want it. I think I want to try it out. And I love Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. I am looking at this palette and I just cannot decide which direction I want to go with my look. Like, these colors are super pretty. So many. Oh, my hair keeps getting caught. Back up, sis. 6 feet. 6 feet. These colors are very pretty, very pink. Oh. I just don't know. I don't know, but we're going to figure this out. We're going to start off the eyes using my mini ABH eye primer. I think it's the only one she has. I was going to say in the color XYZ, but no, there's no specific color. I don't know if I discussed this before on this channel, but I do not like, sometimes the tip of this gets very, very messy. And I store it sitting up. Like, I don't even store it down. I don't know, it gets a little messy for me. I don't love that part, but it works very great for eyeshadow, and I'm about to apply it right now. It's a white base. It has the consistency like a concealer, of course. The girls love to use the concealer. I'm just going to evenly coat this all over both of my eyes. I'm going to go in with D5, as in Delta 5. And this is, it's a brown tone with a pinch of an orange hue for sure. And I'm gonna make this my transition shade. Ooh, this is a pretty tone. So now that I have the D5 over my eye, this went on very smooth. It had a little bit of kickback. I had to build up the color, but nothing excessive. A3. What's that? Pink tone there. Am I caught again? I was. So let's go in with A3. I'm using a smaller brush. Oh, maybe I'll look in this mirror. Use the actual mirror. Let me see if this helps me. Oh, I like this color. And my camera, to me, is not really good for eyeshadow tutorials. One day I'm gonna get there. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys a look, but this color is beautiful. Now that that color is applied, such a beautiful hue of like pink and purple. My camera, again, is not grasping the true beauty of the color. It's very pretty. I'm now going to go in with E4. E4. I think I'm going to use that to deepen the crease using this same fluffy brush. Again. I'm concentrating this on the outer V. Now I'm going to attempt to cut my crease of some sort. I'm not a cut creaser. I struggle with this. I have a small flat brush and I'm going to put the product right here. What did the girl say? Put it here and then look up. And that's where your cut crease should end. Next up, I think I'm going to go in with C3. This color is so pretty to me. Like, so cute. Using a flat shader brush for this step. We'll just pop that in the center. This color is very pretty. I'm going to go in with D4. What I can say is that I do love that this palette does not have names and it just has a letter and a number. Names are fun, names are unique, names can reflect personality, but these letters and numbers make this very easy. Very easy. So I'm going to put this color on the inner part. Oh, that has a lot of punch to it. I think I want to use these I Envy and Lil Mama lashes. Did you guys know Lil Mama got, she paired up with I Envy to make some lashes? Did anybody know this? I didn't. I know now. Shout out to sis. And I really like them. I got the pink pair first. I think I'm going to reuse these. I don't know if I want to open the green ones. But I put them on. I bought the first pair and I'm like, okay, I really like the band. I was expecting me not to like the band of the lash, but the band was popping. So I went back up to the beauty supply and bought another pair, another option. And I might wear those really soon. So I can't tell you about those, but the pink pair, which is 01, they're nice. I have such small lid space that lashes can easily take over my eye look, like it's kind of doing right now. And my liner, I got a little crazy with it, per usual. I added some liner at the bottom and I also smudged some E4 at the bottom. Can you guys even see? I have no lid space. Anyways, let's go ahead and put on the lip. I'm gonna use KKW Beauty Lip Pencil in Nude 3. Next, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Crush. Not sure if they still sell this color. I'm just going to assume yes. I got this with like a 100-point perk at Sephora. I don't know. Lately, I've been a real gloss girl, so I'm going to add some gloss on top of this look. I'm going to use, I got these Pat McGrath Labs Mini Opulust Gloss Trios. Glosses are so pretty. Like, cute? Much? Very cute. I think I'm going to use this one. Lavendaring. Lavendaring? Is that a word? We're going to see. Oh, it smells delicious. Something sweet, maybe like icing or an Oreo cookie. Oh, this is pretty. And as sparkly as it is, I don't even feel the glitters. Okay, she's cute. Gave a metallicness to the look, that's for sure. Let's talk about my final thoughts of this ABH Norvina collection. I believe this palette is called Volume 4. So here it is again, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful, beautiful palette. Stunning. Especially if you are someone that's into pinks and purples. It does have neutral shades. To me, the more neutral shades are more for, I need to swatch them on myself. Let me see. Oh, okay, that showed up on me. I'm gonna retract what I was gonna say. Let me see, A4. There was a couple of shades in here that I didn't think really would show up on me, but look, they are showing up. I do agree this palette has neutral shades now that will work for any skin tone. I was gonna say my fairest sisters, but no, anybody can wear these colors. I don't know about someone that's deeply, deeply rich in tone. They might find the colors to be a little bit more lighter or opaque, but it's a beautiful palette. I need to play with these pressed glitters. Oh, that's pretty. Look at those pressed glitters. This palette's stunning, especially if you're a person that's into pinks, into purples, and like a little fun in your palette. Go for this. If you're someone who is just like an everyday kind of girl, I wouldn't say this is for you, honestly. I know people are like, this is for an everyday look. I can tell someone that is new to makeup or someone who's a little more hesitant to color not being drawn to any of the Norvina palettes, period. 1, 2, 3, or 4. But if you had to choose one and you're more of a neutral person and you just want a Norvina palette, I would say get this one. But it's not, to me, a true neutral palette, if I do say so myself, in my opinion. But it gets, I mean, the pigmentation so easily to blend. The colors are nice. This speaks to my heart, okay? So this palette is definitely for me. I would give it a thumbs up. Took me a while to decide to get it, but I'm glad that I did. And it took a while for it to arrive, but that's to be expected. There's delays with, everything that's going on right now. So don't expect a speedy delivery, okay? But this palette is a definite yes. So pretty, so nice. Love it. I'm gonna have some more looks coming from this. And that is my final review and my quick tutorial of some sort on the Norvina ABH palette that I have here. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration. If you're on the fence of getting this palette, I hope that this video helps you to lean towards getting it if that's what you really wanted to do, or to step back and reconsider your purchase if you're a little more hesitant and you wanted to see if this is something that you actually would wear. I love this palette. Thumbs up. Thank you guys so much again for your support. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate each and every view, each and every thumbs up, each and every comment. It really does help to support us small channels here on the YT. Again, if you want to follow me and get to know me a little more personally, follow me here on my social media. I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.